Building and construction accounts for a large percentage of all global carbon emissions. BAM recognises the pivotal role the construction sector plays in the transition towards a sustainable, low-carbon society. That's why we set ourselves ambitious goals to reduce the carbon footprint of our own operations. As a leader in the construction industry, we believe our responsibilities don't end there. That's why we're also committed to account for the carbon footprint of our entire value chain. In this video, we'll explain how we work closely with our partners to reduce carbon emissions both downstream and upstream. The carbon footprint of a building or infrastructure project before it becomes operational is called embodied carbon. And this consists of all carbon emissions associated with the production of materials, the manufacturing process, and transportation. Reducing these emissions in a value chain is crazy complicated, especially when you consider the amount of materials we work with in the construction industry. Despite this, we encourage our upstream suppliers to jointly look for opportunities to reduce carbon emissions. One such opportunity presented itself in the construction of the King's Cross Sports Hall. Yes, Harry Potter fans, that's near platform 9 3/4. Instead of using carbon-intensive materials such as concrete and steel, we used timber. This material isn't just low in carbon, it has the added benefit of storing carbon. Now, let's have a look at decarbonisation after a building or road becomes operational. In other words, downstream. We want to account for the emissions of our projects even after the last asset is delivered. That's why we invest in circular materials and retrofitting existing buildings. Take, for example, the net zero energy housing in Klazinaveen in the Netherlands. With our partners, we retrofitted 71 homes to generate enough energy for an entire household. Solar panels were installed and insulation was drastically improved. This meant comfort and low costs for tenants and guaranteed returns for our client. We've got quite some work ahead of us, but stopping climate change requires bold and swift action. Do you want to know what else BAM does to make the world a better place? Be sure to check out our other videos. That's it for now. Bye.